Hi guys, this is Tony with Klinik and Racetec, and I want to make a quick little video showing you our new compression gauge. After we put out teasers last week, I've received a ton of messages of people asking what it does and how to use it and what does it mean exactly. So the compression gauge is used to check the compression of your engine, so that'll give you somewhat of a health report of your engine. You can always turn it over and kind of have the feel of it in the car, but we wanted something that was more accurate and consistent. When an engine's new and broken in and super happy, of course you're going to have quite a bit of compression. That's going to be the peak of the compression of the engine basically. And as you use it and race, that compression continually goes down. So if you start to have drivability problems, tuning, consistency, flame outs, things like that can be attributed to the compression sometimes. So we wanted to make a gauge you could check this with repeatability, consistency. So I have an AD2 here. This engine has quite a few gallons on it. It's kind of been through the war. And this is a good example for the engine, for the tester, sorry. I would say this probably has about 4 gallons on it. So it's due for a pinch, and pinching works well. Most everybody believes in the pinching, and I've seen it work well over the years. So this would be a good candidate for a pinch. So what we're going to do is turn it on. And then I'm on bar. So you'll thread it in, it has the turbo end. Just going to thread it in. And then I'm just going to snug it. You don't have to go crazy. So here's the gauge. And I'm just going to turn it slowly and see what kind of bar we get out of it. So, and I want to test 2 things here. I want to test the peak, which looks like it's 61. And then I want to wait a second and see if that compression bleeds off, meaning there's blow-by by the piston. Because that tells you 2 different things: the overall compression, and then if it has a whole bunch of bleed off, that means the engine's probably sucked dirt at one point and there's scratches on the cylinder wall, and that's allowing the compression to get past. But this is staying right at 61.61 bar. So I know this engine, the piston and sleeve have a good seal, just some of that seal is gone from the taper, from the pinch going away. And this is pretty easy to turn over by hand. I mean, it's really easy to turn over. So this is definitely a candidate for a pinch. 0.65 looks like is about the peak. Do it one more time. 6.6. So that's the general condition of this engine. I've seen them over 1 bar on a brand new engine that's broken in. So that would be like the highest that you'll see. I put a few drops of oil in there just to lubricate the piston so I'm not rotating it dry, and to help seal just a little bit because our fuel does have oil in it. But all in all, that's the compression gauge. It's a very simple piece, but a very handy one. Takes a couple AAAs, but yeah, you can keep this in your pit box and kind of check your engines. And then when you get one that's going soft, send it off to get pinched. Put it back in, break it in, then you can monitor that wear again and watch that wear come and go. But that's the new compression gauge. Okay, getting back to work. See you guys.